Oh, I need a poke. What? Oh, my bad, cuz. My bad.
Because you know I'm not with no female. What?
Seawood.
Yeah, I told him I was going to throw him off the rail. I'm ready.
Huh?
I'm ready to throw it off.
Alright. Oh, they ain't here anymore? Where'd the air horn go? Oh, they moved them because of us, didn't they? I know they were right over here the last time. We gotta find these air horns.
Don't tell me really move because of us. Might be here. Cut it up. Huh? Most that. Where did it go?
Where?
Where did it go?
Oh yeah, they didn't. It's $9.99, $9.15. I don't know. Is it? I don't know if it's worth the money. Do we need a big one again, or?
We have to go with a big one.
Or we need to go with the big one?
So we got this one. It's three of us.
Dude, he's not about to do anything. He never does anything.
What are you scared for?
I don't know. Ask him that.
Hey, what you scared of?
I'm not scared of shit.
Toby.
You already know monkey ain't never scared.
Toby.
So we need a big one?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh shit!
Let me jump in. I'm big guys.
Bro, what the fuck is this shit? Bro! Do it! Do it, Kayvon, do it! 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 What are you gonna do? Why is this man just standing there?
Looking creepy.
You right, this man just standing there.
Just standing there.
Kayvon, why you just standing there? I thought you were gonna hop in.
Man, come on,
Let's go. Can we just walk around for a little bit?
No, I hate being here.
Bro, it's okay. Just put your hoodie up. No one's gonna see you.
I still hate being here.
Bro, no one's gonna see. Marcus, no one's gonna see you. No one's gonna see you.
I still.
No one's gonna see you. We're gonna spend this 10 minutes here, and you're gonna like it, all right?
Alright, bro. I guess I'm stuck here for another 10 minutes.
Hurry up. Go. Stand right here, stand right here, stand right here, stand right here.
I'm gonna go right here.
Huh? No, stand right here and do it. Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Hell no, that scared me. That scared me.
I'm blowing this in JC fucking.
Fuck! Oh, dude, that's meant to be crazy. Oh, fuck! That's meant to be crazy. Dude, that's meant to be crazy. We just pulled up next to you too. Bro. Oh, somebody right there too. Bad. Oh, fuck.
I'ma rock this little bitch to that tank empty. I'ma still blow that bitch to that clip empty. Bitch, I'm a B. Bitch, I'm a
Oh, you want?
Took that little bitch, now that bitch off they leash.
Hell no. Hell to the motherfucking no. Hey. Go. You gonna walk up in the door and all that? Wait, is it even open? I don't see anybody. Oh, no, they're open. No, there's somebody on the left-hand side.
She got her.
Oh, you fried.
This nigga on some drug shit. You ain't even high, cuz. You on some drug shit. This nigga going to jail for real. Hell no. Oh man, how you feeling, man?
Oh, great.
You're so drunk, shit. You drunk, man?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. She said, bitch. She said, bitch.
My God, bitch
That man was going off the gas. He
Hey, Mom. Go back. This way, Dad.
gas. What the fuck you on, Ben? Ben. Oh, keep on. Go up there and steal his girl. Ben, what you doing? Ben, grow up, bro. My bad. I put it back.
She's still coming?
No.
She's not?
No.
Promise.
Yeah, I swear to God.
Swear to God.
I swear to God, Ben.
You lying, bro.
No, I'm not lying. Ben, stop being paranoid.
Oh, she's coming. She's coming. She's coming.
No, she ain't.
Man, shit, I ain't want this.
No, you're not taking the camera, bro.
I didn't get kicked out this bitch because of y'all.
Man, what's this man doing? What the fuck is this man doing? What the fuck is this man on? This man is gone, man.
Who said Bob?